Find missing angles and side using the law of cosine. In this problem, we're going to solve for the missing angles and side using the law of cosine. And the first thing to do is to apply the variables for our angles and side. And for the angles, we're going to label it with capital A, B, and C. And for the sides, we're going to use lowercase a, b, and c. It is important to remember that lowercase a is opposite of capital A, and the same goes for B and C. Then we're going to select which formula to use. So I'm going to solve for side A, and I'm going to use this top formula because I know what angle A is, and I know what side B and C, what they are. Now I just simply solve for side A. So I'm going to substitute my values into the top formula for the law of cosine. And then step 3 is to simply solve for the unknown. We're going to square 15.3, 15.2, and multiply 2 times 15.3 and 15.2. Then we're going to multiply 465.12 with to cosine of 74.7. And then we're going to add and subtract. And that is going to get us 342.398. Then to solve for a, you simply take the square root of that. Then you get 18.504, and I'm going to round this to the nearest tenth, which is 18.5. Now that I know my side, let's solve for angle C and angle B. So the same step will apply. I'm going to label my angles and sides. Then I'm going to select which formula to use. And in this case, I'm going to solve for angle B first, because I know sides A, B, and C, which I can substitute into the formula, and then I can use that to solve for angle B. So here I did my substitution. Then step 3 is to solve for the unknown. So you're going to square here, 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 and then you're going to multiply the numbers out here. Then the next step, I'm going to add these two numbers, and that gets you 573.29. Then I'm going to subtract 573.29 on both sides. Then I'm going to divide negative 562.4 on both sides to get cosine B by itself. Then to solve for angle B, you take the arc cosine of 0.603, and that's going to leave us with 52.9 degrees, and that is angle B. Then to solve for angle C, since we know the sum of all the angles in a triangle adds up to 180, we can simply solve for C by subtracting 180 by 52.9, which is angle B, then 74.7, which is angle A, and that gets us 52.4 degrees. Now I solve for all the missing parts, and this completes my problem.